Hey, what's up guys? Welcome to MachineStation. I'm Joe Chavez. Today we have a 2008 Akira Seiki SL-30. Just a bit smaller than the SL-35 that we just demoed. It does come with an 8-inch chuck, but it is currently equipped with a Collet, 12-station turret, same amount of low cutting hours on the machine. We're going to go ahead and run the machine through its paces. You hear the spindle, see a couple tool changes, all the features that it comes with. Do a quick wraparound. If I miss anything, feel free to let me know. Why don't we go ahead and jump right into this one. So here's a quick close-up on the Fanuc Oi-TC control. Again, these two machines came out of the same shop here, the SL-35 and the SL-30. I'll back up and so you can see both. There's the SL-35 chip conveyor. There's an 8-inch chuck down there that you can see. Come to the other side. Again, we'll show the electrical cabinet. Both these machines are really clean inside and out. Close up of the electrical cabinet. I'm going to go ahead and run the machine through its paces. Run the spindle. Tool changer. There's a chip conveyor running down below. Tailstock.